If you want to remove an animation in Prezi, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to find an animation, identify the exact topic, text, or image it's attached to, and delete it without affecting the rest of your presentation. This is a simple fix, but it can save you a lot of time if your presentation has too many motion effects or if you just want a cleaner, more professional look. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open your Prezi presentation and go to the specific topic or page that contains the animation you want to remove. This part is important because animations in Prezi are tied to specific objects or sections, so you need to be on the right topic before making any changes. Once you're on that page, look to the left side of your screen and open the animation panel if it isn't already visible. If you have added animation to a specific topic, text, or image, you should see it listed there in a vertical timeline style panel. This left panel shows the sequence of animations in your presentation, so it makes it much easier to locate exactly what you want to remove. Now carefully scan through the list and find the animation card that matches the item you want to delete. If you added motion to a title, an image, or a text block, that animation should appear as a separate card in the sequence. Move your mouse cursor over that specific animation card, and as you hover over it, you should see a trash can icon appear. That trash can icon is what you'll use to delete the animation. Click the trash can icon, and Prezi will remove that animation from the timeline. Once you do that, the animation effect will no longer play during your presentation. If you want to make sure it worked, you can preview the topic again and check that the movement or effect is gone. If you need to remove more than one animation, just repeat the same steps for each card in the left panel. Open the topic, find the animation in the timeline, hover over the card, and click the trash can icon. It's a fast process once you know where to look, and it gives you full control over the motion in your presentation. And that's it. You've successfully removed an animation in Prezi. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Prezi tips, beginner guides, and step-by-step software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.